The Casework families are made up of nested components for the carcass, front panels, drawers, handles, shelves and railings. The repository comes with several options for front panels and handles that can be swapped in to create different versions. You can also create your own components by using one of the existing components as a template. There are several ways in which you can change nested components in the family editor. However, there is only one way that works reliably with the RevitWorks components. It's important that the following method is always used when swapping components. The first step is to save the components out of the repository as individual RFA files. There are several ways to do this. You could save them out individually by right-clicking on the family name in the project browser and hitting Save. Then browse to a location on your server or hard drive and simply save the RFA file. Or we suggest saving all the families at once by using Revit's Save as Library tool. From the File menu, it's Save as Library of Families. Again, choose a location on your server or hard drive and hit Save. I've already saved out all the families here in one go. To swap the panels, select the family and edit it in the family editor. This family is made up of several nested components, all of which are listed in the project browser under Families under Casework. Find the panel family, select it, right-click and hit Reload. Then browse to the library that you created earlier and select the panel you want to swap in. Overwrite the existing and they will all update. To change the handle, you have to select the panel and edit that. Then on the project browser, find the handle placeholder, right-click, reload, and from your library, select the handle that you want. If the handle doesn't display, it just means that the subcategory has been turned off. So under Visibility Graphics, we can just turn on the Furniture subcategory. Now you can reload that panel back to where it came from. To do the drawers, we just have to go one step deeper. Select the drawer component, edit that. From the project browser, you could change the panel, but in this case we'll leave it the same, but we'll just load the right handle into there. So if I edit that family, we'll update the handle, and load that back in. Then load that drawer back into the current family. Before we load that back into the repository, we should have a look at the material parameters. Because we've loaded in a new panel family, it now has a new material for glass. If you want to control this material back in the project, we should associate that with a parameter by clicking on the equals icon and creating a new parameter for glass. It can be a type parameter or instance parameter depending on how you want to control it. You may also have to remove materials that are no longer valid depending on the panel that you swapped in. Once you're happy with that, load that back into your project. Overwrite the existing and they will update.